Welcome to Animal Factory, where nature's finest raw materials into the world's most exceptional luxury goods. This is where precision meets tradition. Every journey begins at the gate. Here at Animal Factory, we source only the finest Brahman cattle from the world's most respected breeders. Our facility spans over 50 acres of pristine countryside. Every animal receives the highest standard of care from the moment they arrive. Our receiving area is designed for comfort and efficiency. Fresh bedding, clean water, and expert handlers ensure every animal settles in quickly. Hydration and nutrition are prioritized from the first moment. Our automated systems maintain perfect water quality around the clock. Our nutritionists design custom feeding programs for each animal. Optimal health begins with optimal nutrition. Rest is essential to animal welfare. Our bedding is changed daily to ensure maximum comfort and cleanliness. Our herd is managed with the utmost care and respect. Each animal receives individual attention and monitoring. Before entering production, every animal undergoes a comprehensive health evaluation. Our veterinary team sets the standard for excellence. Modern health checks monitor each animal and help ensure it is healthy before moving to the next stage. Our veterinarians conduct thorough physical examinations. Every detail, from respiration to hoof condition, is carefully documented.
Digital health records track every aspect of animal wellness. This comprehensive data ensures traceability and quality from farm to finished product. The horn's natural structure is inspected meticulously. Its quality directly determines the caliber of finished products we can produce. With a clean bill of health, the animal is cleared for the next phase. Only the finest specimens move forward in our process. Our animals live in low-stress environments. This philosophy ensures the highest quality raw materials and the most humane production process.
On the processing floor, raw horn material begins its transformation. Here, natural beauty, industrial precision. Each horn is graded by quality, size, and natural curvature. Only the finest pieces proceed to the next stage. The initial cleaning removes surface impurities. Water and gentle pressure prepare the horn for precision work. Boiling softens the keratin structure. This crucial step prepares the horn for cutting and shaping. Once properly softened, the horn is lifted and cooled. Its natural beauty becomes more apparent with each step. Cooling allows the horn to set. This careful process preserves the material's natural integrity. Precision cutting separates the horn into workable sections. Each cut is measured with exacting standards. Sorted by size and thickness, each piece is cataloged. This ensures consistency across every finished product. Initial shaping begins to reveal the horn's potential. The craftsman's hands guide each piece toward its final form. Fine sanding reveals the horn's natural luster. Each pass of the paper brings out deeper beauty. Tanning drums gently refine the horn's texture and color. This process takes hours, patience, and expert knowledge. After tanning, each piece is carefully inspected. The horn's natural beauty has been enhanced, not altered. After tanning, each piece in the Artisan workshop, craftsmanship takes center stage. Here, horn becomes art. Each artisan selects the perfect piece for their craft. The horn's natural character guides their choice. The lathe reveals the horn's internal beauty. Each rotation brings the piece closer to its final purpose. Fine detailing requires absolute concentration. The artisan's steady hands create intricate patterns with each careful stroke. Sanding transitions the horn from tooled to polished. The surface begins to gleam with natural warmth. Polishing is the final refinement. The horn's natural translucency and warmth emerge in full brilliance. The finished component represents hours of skilled craftsmanship. Its quality speaks for itself. Each component is a testament to craftsmanship. Together, they represent the finest quality available. Preparation for assembly requires matching pieces by grain, color, and character. The result is seamless harmony. The bonding process requires absolute precision. The join must be invisible. The result, seamless. The completed product represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship. Every detail has been considered, executed with care. Quality control is where every product proves its worth. Our standards leave no room for compromise. Quality control under magnification. Every detail is scrutinized. The horn's natural structure must be flawless. Digital scanning confirms precise measurements. Technology ensures consistency across our entire product range. Surface analysis guarantees perfection. Every product must meet our exacting tactile and visual standards. Quality approval is the final checkpoint. Each product now carries our assurance of excellence. Our brand mark represents a promise. Quality, craftsmanship, and integrity are now part of every piece. The final polish reveals the horn's soul. Every piece tells the story of its journey from nature to luxury. This is the result of countless hours of skilled work, from raw horn to luxury product. Transformation complete. A collection of perfection. Each product is ready to leave and find its place in the world. The packaging room is where luxury is presented. Every detail, from box to ribbon, reflects our commitment to excellence. Tissue wrapping protects and presents. The unboxing experience begins with the finest materials. Each box is a work of art in itself. The product rests within, awaiting its journey to the world. Gold ribbon seals the package with elegance. This is the signature of Animal Factory luxury. This mark guarantees the product within is genuine Animal Factory. Each box represents our commitment to quality. They are now ready for their journey to luxury markets worldwide. Prepared for export, our products carry the Animal Factory name. They represent excellence on every continent. Documentation ensures traceability. Every product's journey is recorded, from gate to global destination. From our facility to luxury markets. The journey continues for our exceptional products. Our products leave our care, but the quality we build into each one fades.
Across fields and over horizons, Animal Factory products find their way to discerning customers everywhere. The cycle continues at Animal Factory. New animals arrive, new products are born. From Animal Factory's full to luxury markets around the world. This is craftsmanship without compromise.